Hey everyone, are you ready to transform your cooking experience? Today, we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate kitchen companion that simplifies meal prep like never before. If you're tired of juggling multiple appliances and complicated recipes, this 9-in-1 pressure cooker is your solution, making healthy and delicious meals a breeze. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its incredible 9-in-1 functionality. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, food warmer, cake maker, and sterilizer all in one sleek device. No more guessing with cooking times, thanks to its 15 customizable smart programs, from perfect eggs to tender ribs, ensuring consistent results every single time. Plus, the food-grade stainless steel inner pot isn't just durable and easy to clean, it's also a healthier alternative to non-stick coatings, a real game-changer for conscious cooks. Unlike other kitchen gadgets that gather dust, the Instant Pot Duo Plus truly streamlines your routine, freeing up precious time for what matters most. If you're looking to buy the best kitchen appliance of 2025, this is absolutely it. Check out the direct Amazon link in the description below to grab yours today. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, its intuitive controls and safety features make complex recipes accessible and stress-free. This isn't just an appliance. It's an investment in quicker, healthier, and more enjoyable meals for years to come. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your kitchen, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is my top recommendation. Don't miss out. Click that link.